Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is key agriculture initiatives launched. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Union Minister of Rural Development inaugurated jointly 4 major key initiatives of agriculture sector in Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi. These initiatives included revamped soil health card portal and mobile application, school soil health program, Krishi Sakhi convergence program, and central fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institute's portal for fertilizer sample testing. Now, information about revamped soil health card portal and mobile application. The portal has a soil lab registry and the status of labs can be seen on real-time basis. It has the facility to show the real-time data of soil sample collection, test in labs and generation of soil health card. App-based QR code enabled soil sample collection system has been introduced in soil health card mobile application. Under the new portal, decentralized dashboard at national, state, and district level have been provided. Now, information about school soil health program. The Department of School Education and Literacy has undertaken a pilot project on school soil health program. Under the project, 20 soil labs were set up in 20 schools of Kendriya and Navodaya Vidyalaya of rural areas. Mobile application was customized for the school program and portal is having a separate segment for the program, wherein all the activities of students has been documented. Krishi Sakhi Convergence Program. Krishi Sakhi's training program was launched to certify 70,000 Krishi Sakhis as para-extension workers. Krishi Sakhis play a pivotal role in implementing schemes like National Mission of Natural Farming, Bioresource Centers, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and many more. Krishi Sakhis, women from villages identified by SRLMs, are being trained to bridge the gap in rural agricultural services with their innate potential and firmly rooted to farming and villages. CFQ CTI portal. In Fertilizer Quality Control System portal, one-time password, OTP or SMS application facility has been introduced for sample collection at ports and its testing. In the new portal, an OTP will be generated by the system and to be sent to the mobile number of authorized persons of the importer, wherein the person can verify the details are filed up by the fertilizer inspector in the prescribed form J as FCO 1985. In case of any anomaly, the authorized person may refuse to confirm OTP. Now is the time to test your knowledge. What feature has been introduced in the CFQ CTI portal for fertilizer sample collection, real-time data tracking, OTP verification, mobile application for sample collection or geo-coordinates mapping? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.